Brenda Ryabureire beba chaza Wisdom Kaye Denmark. Brenda Ryabureire siba Brenda Ryabureire. You are not my friend. Todangamu kunjogerako. Nze sijja bweru tojja kundabako uwo. Sitojja kundabako uwo. Bwaba muyamba ne musuza Kaye Wisdom. Eye Denmark jabalaze tonjogerako. Nakulabye yagala kumanyiira. Brenda Ryabureire siba Ryabureire. You were mutolo. You younger girl, let me tell you. You never see me at your home. Me, I don't move. I have everything in Uganda I want. That mentality, some of you who live in Europe, you have that. Every person who is in Africa is suffering. Not everybody is poor, my friend. Brenda. If Kaye Wisdom is your friend, you help him. Me, I don't need help. You never see me in Denmark. There's nothing I need there. I have a job here. I have wealth. Ninebi hapa bina manyagange. Inkutera we million yemu Brenda Ryabureire. Whatever you call yourself. Bring your wealth, I bring mine. We see we're supposed to travel around the world. I don't travel for fun. I'm not a tourist. I'm a technocrat. I'm not a tourist. Munyende Bungereza ndabe chebizimbe bikadde. My time has not come. First make a wealth here. Zimbe nyumba yo. Kola ubu business then travel. Then masquerade in Europe. But me I can't. At my age, I don't need aeroplanes. I need the money. I said I got njagala sent. The day you will see me Junior visiting America and Europe, no there is a deal. Isisobola kulinya nyonyi nenkoba nga bwe nalaze. How can I be in Europe 4 times and I don't have anything to eat? That's hideous. That's what me son of Mirundi. Nze just me son of Mirundi. Yeah, really erinya wa more impad. Ye Eunice Brenda Ryabureire. I'm not your class, my friend. Bwemuba muchaza ba Kaye, I'm not Kaye Wisdom. Me, I have dignity. I have dignity. If I want to travel, the permanent secretary of the Minister of Lands is there. My boss, I tell her, Bajiba traveling out ministry. But every time they put my name, I told them I'm not going anywhere. Sina gender ga. Me, I don't have problems, by the way. That poverty mentality, Gemuina, that every African is poor, is suffering. Simanya, we are jobless. That's not true, madam. Some of us have a lot to do, other than being burdens to you. To be the burdens. I don't want to be burdens to cut your own pechi. Mumpechi. Anyende yo mumpebu bustandi bwa masimu. You are also poor. How can I visit Europe? Nenkoma on stand yesimu. Jengula ane metwale 5 mu kisenyi. That's not a junior. That's not me. Gendo buzaba man. If you want to collaborate with me, you must understand me. Nenze junior. Mudeyo munjogereko nga bwe mwogera ku bayimbi. Omuntu akubire esimu mu America naga Junior inze bapita Jumanze yasoko kuleta ka million. Era ka million mune yasura wano mu ntebe yange. Nze yasoko mulete Canada. How can you make such an introduction? That's what some of you do. Nga mutukubite. Junior yenze yasuza palaso omwaka oguwedde. Era kipalase totora bakyali wano kyasula ne ntebe najikulaga. Now you want me to be a reference. Nze nekolera. Sagalanga kubya bwerere. I don't want anything for free. My dad has taught me not to have free things. We have dignity as a family. The family yange tudde ku dignity. We are not very rich, neither are we poor. But we have 2 things in my family. The Mirundi family is respected because of knowledge. We are intelligent people. Chovola government yonna tujirimu. My brother is an legal office of parliament, John Mirundi. Another one is in petroleum. Another one is a doctor. I'm in lands. So my family, we are all in the government. In different departments. That's why it's very difficult to fight me. You can't fight me. We combine power and knowledge. If there is something I want, I go to my brother Ham. Ham is my brother. va mu bino ebyekisiru bye mubeeramu. One blood with Hamisi Chigundu. One family. Kadino Wamala is part of the family. Katutu, the MP, Honorable Nsereko. So, I'm not into that class, Brenda, that you'll help me. You can't. I don't need help. I'm comfortable with the rate I have. That's why people don't understand me. I don't need a lot. MK project, do you see me? Mbunture ninde Balaam. Me son of Mirundi to wait for Balaam to do for me what? Dignity. Abantu temumanyi kigambo dignity. Bakusubiza ebyobwerere bijja ne costs. Munsi teweemanyiza nga byabwerere. Ne akati nze nyene mu MK project mbumbeerawo ku office ya Balaam ntuule me son of Mirundi. Tibanda bako. Meeting is a general Kezitu. Have you seen me there? Of course, I get everything at my home. Where we kuchitibwa, we material. That's when people will recognize you. Neheze junior nyende wa Franka Gasumba. To do what? Nti nyende Gashumba. Frank. I can't. That's not me. That's not me. Newe chitibwa. When you tell me you don't need me, I also don't need you. If you show me we can work together, we work together. After all, I can support Genomos without even being anybody. Because I love Genomos of three things. One is the son of the president. That alone is remarkable. Because Basani Baba president in Uganda tebasuka mwenda. Ever since we got independence. I respect things that are unique. That is remarkable. Genomos has served in the military for 28 years. Anybody who understands the service, America, you understand what they call service. I still respect him. Two is the heir to the throne. Musika, the rightful heir to the throne. Anybody who says Genomos cannot be president of this country, that is treason. You are an enemy of the state. How can you say that the son of the president cannot succeed the president? That's treason. That's treason. If Jesus Christ is the heir of the heavens, what about Genomos? He has the right to stand. Genomos aina okuyimirira nga president. Why? He has that right. It is ordained by God. No man can utter that. He's Museveni's son. Nichutachichusibwa musi waliwe bitachuka. Nga nawe chitawo bwagenda okulekera amalalo gewamu. Uberenga gwe musika. Even this one is here. Simple logic. Simple logic. Ne biba sombo okutegera because one you are jealous. Obuchayi bubajjodde enge. Obutagaliza. That's why you can't do this thing. How can you say that Tamale Mirundi Jr is not the heir of Mirundi Senior? That is treason. Look at Tamale Mirundi Jr is not the heir of Senior. How can you say that? So, if we say that Genomos cannot succeed his father, then you are mad. You are the one to succeed him. The other Genomos is pure blood of the Kaguta family. Why don't I support him? Junior, I'm a photocopy of Mirundi Senior. So how can you say the neta got DNA? Nanyuwe nkwata unga muulira bubi. These are facts. Munsi waliwe bitachuka. So kamalirize neno story alien skin abanopu bamuli bubi bamuvuma nalabyeko abantu bannopo nga muvuma alien Honorable Segirinya yamwambalidde dda ndabye abannupu nga muvuma alien simu abamuleeta mbukubanga alien yagambye alien skin ekigenda okusuula kwogera nnyo alien skin malala na kwogera alien skin mu nsi tosobola kuba bintu byonna ebyobufuzi byesonyiwa alien nakulabula dda alien nga wakajja nekugamba ebyobufuzi alien byesonyiwe ekizibu kyoyogera nnyo alien that's your downfall alien fetulabye abamaanyi okuvira ddala ku mirembe gy'aba Sebagala Haja alagidde omulangira w'ekereziya Semwogerere yakankanya ensi eno tulabye ku bayita ojooko ne tubasomako ensi eno ebadde n'abasajja oyita ojooko yayimirirako mu parliament nga balonda n'agamba honorable members if you pass that motion you will not be at the next morning speaker nati that was General Oyita Ojooko asajja bona pito ba Maria Mungu nebe nabo bayina ensigo ezo biri ne binirade ni yayina biri teri musajja ayina 3 alien oyina ensigo ezo but the way you talk you might think you have 3 even binirade ni had 2 your downfall kakanya amalala kakanyiza ddala amalala nakugamba alien funa omwogezi kati ekibadde kikogeza ku byobufuzi kyeki mbwe abantu simanya balinde government eddako ebyo birekere banna byabufuzi gwe kola kuwa kuyimba but you can't be a musician at the same time a politician naye manyi obuzibu we buva oyinaabo ba promoter abafere ba promoter tebagalanga ko bayimbi they are making their money teri promoter akwagala walinga tonnajja Abitex yali akwagala promoter agenda na kitambula abana badagala sirwanga bakola sente dagala sirwanga batwala ko bafiye where is the fear dagala sirwanga batwala ko bakirevaje where is kirevaje you think you are the first one to visit UK kakanya amalala obo butikitoka live bwokola bugalewo omuyimbi tabeera tikitoka you can't do everything omuyimbi tabeera butakola butikitoko obutikitoko noberoko no yasamiroko noli enkwacho which brand are you obakadama baba kubire ndulu alien tujera kubeera we shall still come back here nga ogudde and we analyze you ngabalala bakireva jete baliwo ono omwana big guy yaliko big guy nga asinga ne Kenzo where is big guy mistakes bulandi kastota adiko jizanyiramu amalala gakujjudde kati kyade kikutuza kagali ke airport aliye ebyenkugamba kati kyade akagali bakatira uko situlansawo okakutoka tuddeko gwe muvubuka gwe kakubulire yebigambo bino ngabe ni yupi bye bagambi era nange nkugamba ebintu bina kendeza amalala kendeza interviews byo yogeddeko bimala funa omwogezi funa manager va mu byobufuzi bwoba ino olusuku lw'abantu sigala nagakyuse nyambala aliye nakulabika tutandise okwambala bitu ebitegerekeka gende wa Brian zigule engoye ebyo bisoti ngolinga gendo kuba obudongo byenkulaba oyambala byejire muddala sanyirira kumviri wesige kubizigo kyamoke yes tukimanyo obadde mu ghetto embeera yebadde mbi niyo omuntu wekube kubizigo ochamukire ddala. Be organized. Kati ba Miki obagazaaki. Miki simanya 256 seems to be funny. Buli wotuukanga ku stage y'obulamu. Life is a process. Bonna abantu mu nsi baaliko bubi. Ne President Museveni yaliko omwavu. Naye bwe yafuuka president tokyajja ssebo mu State House kumuga Museveni yenze yakuwa amata. Is now a president. His Excellency. Onzo sa President Museveni nga nze yakutulanga mabega ga desk. In life you have to evolve with life. But it's evolution. Kazi olaba Junior tosoba nze Junior nzo okusaga ku street no malaga mbuza. I'm running a country. Say immediately kufe government sorry. Nayi nange nerimba nnyo. Ne wana nnyo bambi. Nera nina okwewana ani anampana. So aliye chusamu. Yeah, change is difficult. We know. Believe you manide. But there are things you must make correct. Otherwise, eri nyoinzo obutamala nalyo myezi ebiri. Abannayuganda mbamanyi. Bw'oba yagala kutegeera nti abannayuganda bazibu, abannayuganda bayagala ka million. Amayembe ne bwe gatwala stage ye luli era abannayuganda bajja. N'abannayuganda bakyawa. Amayembe ne bwe gatwala stage one. Kwa enkuba yatwala eche concert ya egundi stage ya kamilioni yava Masaka. Oyo palasa ine nyimba. Tekuliko lubi. Neerwa mpisa. Abantu tebakyawa nko palaso just bamuzamu magezi. People will come back. Abanaga bamanyi bamadane badda. Nange genjini bali bankyayeko. Kati they are here. Mbubanjagala mwali temugenze mwe. Mujuni yovudde mwene yupi. Mwali mwagala nkole yoki. Njoza stocks za principle. Ne kati muli wano. Junior we love you. Mutwalize muli mutijire kubata bamanyi. Zemba manyi. Wene bana Uganda ogenda kyangu. Bo babeera mobile every time. This is a mobile country. Tebalina permanence. Lumbu ye yakubanga kutendeke. Lera ali mufirike. Oyo penge yabeera waawo. Ngera naye awemula. Nnaku zino abanoonya tabalaba. So bambi mweddeko. Yogera bulungi n'abamawulire. Bana abamawulire bakola mulimo gwabwe. Netoyinza ku disrespectinga mwana muwala. Goza abamawulire tebasoma. Omuntu aso kujja ko interview. Boba tuyagala kwogera nabo gamba manager wo loja byakole ewa Spice Dana. Nti bannanga omuyimbi teyewulira bulungi. Oyina okubeera n'omuntu akuba ekiraka. Naye olw'okuba ati gwe buli kimu aliye ni gwayagala okikole. Ogenda sanga obuzibu. Omwana azze ku airport. Naye ayina mukama we yamutumye. Kwanga baabana bagenda okuva ku NBS nga bambi nabo bazze kola story ku story kwe balya. Nyeze kyasi okunuma mwana muwala. Ebiwadi bikoze bine bivubuke bitalina makulu. She was a girl. Omwana akubuuza omulaga attitude takuvumangako. Yimirira ne bajjeizi bayimirira. Omugaye nti hayi bibuzo byombuuza manager wange yaba abiddamu. Oyina okubeerawo n'omuntu gw'osindika aliyeni. Nti kati kyosera kya manager yayogera n'abamawulire. Naye bw'onaddamu ebyo ebyekisirugwe. Nkusaasidde. Fere tuwagira bafu naawe. Tuyinza kujja nunga nti pagire bulandi etatuukiridde. Tuba tuwonoona ezaffe. So, ekyali yeni akitegeere that life is a process. You need to change sometimes. Tuyinza kusigala nga bw'obadde naffe twakyuka. Nze nabeeranga mwene yupi nga balya mirondo. Banwerako ki gundi omunanasi. Nga tuli mwene yupi. Abo basauda madada ba Bobby Yanga. Nga tuba tufulumye meeting za yeni yupi ogenda okulaba Bobby Yanga akuleetedde Rolex. Nekati when I entered the government, not Jewish. You know. Nchadamu kunwa when woman anaste goinza kunnomya lubuto. There is always a change. Kati nizo kudamu kuli omolondo. Ne Bobby Yanga Sauda Madada abana banupu kumacha bali ya Rolex. Mbo bali mu struggle. Some savu ne bali emirondo ne banwera koka gondi omunanasi kati insobola. Of course now I changed it. Era mugamba Juni yangeze lwaki sigejja. Omuntu alina sente alabika. Kakati ebintu namwera mubiraba. Juni yageze bwe nali mwene UPR nali mfana na bubi. Nesete ya Museveni banange ewooma. Aina darango njirya mu lujjudde nze njirya seekweka. Sente ya government yene ewooma. Iraze najibula mudda n'oluyimba. Sente ya Museveni ewooma. Ne Bobi Wine ajirya. Sente ya Museveni ewooma. Ne babaka banupu kwe babira. Sente ya Museveni ewooma. Naddala ng'ogirya misana nga nze. Lwemba lwanyenda okufulumya. Fenna kwe tuli. Era omuntu agati tolya sente za government mulabe mukyawe. Nze njirya misana bwetu. Nimala nenzire wange nenebaka. Nemwasama. Hey, tujja kumulaba. Temwina kye mujja kundaba. Bobo enyina ne bwe kwata obuyinzira nze nja kusigala nga ndya sente. Kati mwabasiru mubere mu byafiriye dictator nja basanga. Nze mbere watali sentence. Nali anyoko. Landlord mugambe ntya. Ebina mwabasiru mwababiberamu mubere mu struggle zammwe. Nze Junior yanze mbere watali sentence. Abakazi n'abasasuzaaki. Nyoko ya n'abasasula. Gwe nzo kusanga ngo ntadde mu bya struggle gwe. I'm eating life. Sina chibina. I don't have a party. Walienda byeko mwenalemu. Mwenalemu. Eyise bakada bayo mwendi. Nze pagira President 7 na General Moz. Ne General Sari Musari. Bama, I support in the videos. Kakati nze to mbuya mwe. Mbusimanya Junior. Ngate twakula be mu lukungana lwenalemu. Siri mwenalemu. Nze ndimu gundi ya President 7 ne General Moz beba innocent.